the whole of Goa, no, all of world has seen the cruelty which is done on a senior citizen, and forget senior citizen, their own parent, that is this Isidore's father, Loyal Babaचेर कसो हल्लो केला, जोत्यांनी वान्यांनी मारलोले हां, तेजे बायलेन देखून कशी मारलोले ते सगळे संवसारांत पयले. काल खंय तरी तेजी चेडूं जे यूके आसता मारिया बाय, she is in Hounslow and she was continuously trying to get in touch with me, but I was preoccupied with some work and I could not because I am only active on WhatsApp. So she was trying on FaceTime and Quinton Sangle, and then this lady called Alisha who does the vlog, she called me and she said, ma'am, we need your help. Maria, the daughter of this loyal bab, तेजे daddy जे मारला पळय तेका तुजी हेल्प जाय, गरज जाय. So I said, okay, tell the family to talk to me, tell the daughter to talk to me, and somehow since she could not get in contact with me, I said, fine, let me see what happens. Then yesterday night we got information that one person from Kunkolim, right?
Yeah, Mariano Suarez.
Mariano Suarez has already come and case registered केला. In fact, हुई Maria ताजे चोली हुई राती हुई तेने when she saw the CCTV footage, she had already sent an email आचेर हुई complaint register करपा गायली. But due to some the police now, and I spoke to PSI Bhagat, he said we don't go much to see the emails. So then we saw it the next day, but Maria had requested this man to go and help. Yep. So काल ते register झाली. आता register झाली म्हणल्यार section लायले आसा, section 115 लायलो आसा, 126, 127, 352, 351, 3, and even म्हाका दिसता section 24 of the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act of 27 लागता. Okay, 2007 Act. So आमचे इतलेच म्हणणे आसा की पळय, parents आमकां ल्हानपणांत साकून आमकां ती जल्मा काडटात. They are the ones who give us life. They are the ones who sacrifice everything. Mother and father, they are the ones when we are small, आमी भुरगीं आसता तेन्ना आमी हागतात, आमी मुततात, आमचो गू मूत ती काडटात, आमकां न्हावयतात, आमकां वाडटात, आमकां आपल्या पोटाक मारून आमकां व्हड कोत्तात आनी खंय तरी एक लायकेर कोत्तात. यू नो वेन यू आर इंडिपेंडंट. So the same phase comes in life. आनी कोणाक चुकना, आयज म्हाका फाल्यां तुका कोणाक.
Goes around comes around.
So what goes around comes around. फाल्यां आतां आमचे पेरंट जेन्ना जाणटी जाता, that it is our duty. It is our duty that when they do something or if they are not in the state or not in the good health condition, it is our duty to do. आनी एक आमी जनावराक देखून अशें मारतना, जनावराक देखून मारले जाल्यार क्रुएल्टी एक्ट लागता अगेन्स्ट एनिमल्स. And here at this I have spoken to PI Bhagat because the daughter told me, इलेच सांगपाक सोदता एक मिनटान हांव की हुई तेका हुई ते चोली जी आसा मारिया, एक्चुअली ते काजा जाला. So it is not her duty as such, but she knows that it's her father and she was fulfilling that duty. It seems when the mother died 5 years back, पाय बरो ना जालो, it's in a dementia patient. Dementia म्हळ्यार कितें, तकलेन सारकोच ना, तो मनीस बरो खंय वयता कितें करता तें मनशाक कळना, आनी 83 years old. सो ते हुई सदांच हुई केअर टेकर दवरताले. मारिया just spoke to me at 12:30. 20,000, 18,000, 24,000 धाडटाले. 8 caretakers हुई चेंज जाले. 1 caretaker you can have a problem, 2 caretakers, but this it's in son. लॉयल अंकलाचो सन जो आसा इसिदोरान तिची बायल हुई तेरेजीन झगडो ती सगळे चेंज करताले. सो केअरटेकर्सान हुई ते चेडवाक धाडली मेसेज, मॅम तू एजन्सी साकून आमकां एम्प्लॉय केलें, तुजो प्रॉब्लम ना, बट वी कॅनॉट टेक दिस टॉर्चर, दे आर इरिटेटिंग पीपल, वी जस्ट कांट वर्क विथ दिस कपल, दे आर व्हेरी बॅड म्हणून, दे बिहेव व्हेरी बॅड म्हणून. So then it seems she in goodwill she spoke to the brother and sister-in-law. She said my father is in their custody, with their father of course, but she said, so I told them if you all are in goodwill ready to take care of the father, I will send that amount to your account. Even last now not even 5-6 days, it seems 25,000 or 20,000 she has deposited. So she was doing it, but in December Maria calls येवपाले, Maria आमकां आवाज येता, बायक मारलेलो आवाज असो येता, झगडीं जातात, आवाजां किलकिलां जातात. सो ते भिलें, ते येयले डिसेंबरात येयले आनी मागीर सगळें केलें तेणें CCTV कॅमेराज बीन लायले. एक किचना कडेन लायल्लो, पांय निघता थिंगा रावल्लो 4 वंट्या भितर थिंगा ते बेडीचेर, आनी एक खंय भायल्यान वॉल्कांचेर लायल्लो. एनी हुई कितें काम करता म्हूण सांगलें, किचनाचें काम करूंक जाय, पोत्रे काडूंक जाय म्हूण किचना कडेन जो आसलो कॅमेरा काडलो, आनी हो कॅमेरा डॅडी हुंय न्हिदतालो, जाणटेलो अंकल थिंगा हुंय ते रातीचो तो कॅमेरा ऑन करताली अंकल न्हिदला तेन्ना, आनी दीसभर कितें जाता ते कळपा नाका म्हूण दिसता ते बंद करताली. आनी रिजन इज टू गिव दॅट अंकल इज पुटिंग ऑफ, माय अंकल वील गो वेन इज इन डिमेन्शिया. इवन वल्गर molestation कोत्तालो म्हूण केस घातल्या, कंप्लेन हें करतात ते, दे आर गिविंग अ ग्रीवेंस, दे आर सेइंग दॅट ही इज टू कम टू molest. हू वील molest दिस आंटी, हू वॉन्ट्स टू molest एन 83-year-old अंकल, सासूपाय जाणटेलो डिमेन्शिया तो त्या दीस कांयच जावना. तो मुतालो, पेम्पर घालताली तेका सोय आसली, चड मुतूंक जाल्यार पेम्पर भरता जाल्यार तो उठतालो आनी ती बालदी आसताली, ते बालदीत मुततालो खंय तो, आनी भायल्यान खंय तो मूत भायर मारून गेल्लो. पिडी खंय तेणें ओपन केली आनी मूत भायर मारपाक गेल्लो, पावस येता आनी उदक वयतलें म्हूण तो तेश करून भोंवतालो, कोत्तालो, सगळें जेवता. आनी कोणी नेबर पळयत पूण हांकां हें जालें आबूस, ओन्ली बिकॉज यू वेंट टू थ्रो हिज युरिनेशन आउटसायड. यू सीन हाव दे हॅव हिट दॅट मॅन विथ स्लिपर्स. मनीस पण खंय गेले रे इजिदोर, मनीस पण खंय गेले गो तेरेजीन, मायाचेर देखून हें ना, तुमकां भुरगीं आहात वो ना गो, हां तुमकां तुमचे माय पाय तेरेजीनाचे माय पाय आसलेली ना गो, आनी कितें रे इजिदोर ते ती पूण सून तूं पूत मरे. आतां ते चेडवान सांगलां मारयान, बापायचें घर, इट इज आवर फादर्स हावस, लॉयलाचें घर म्हणटा तें म्हजे डॅडीचें घर, हें कोणाचें पुर्वजांचें न्ही, म्हजें डॅडीचें घर. And we have demanded that this house belongs to the father. Father is not going in any orphanage or in any old age home. तो खंयचेच ओल्ड एज गोरांत वचपाना तेजे गोर तेका द्रेक आहा गोरांत रावपाक वयतली बायल ती तेरेझीन आनी इजिदोर चेडू ते सून आनी पूत बिकॉज दिस घोराचें नांव देखून बापाचें नांव ना माय फादर्स नेम सो वी हॅव टोल्ड PSI Bhagat that this is the demand. The daughters also said caretaker will be kept. The father who has been sent to Vasco just because emergency देरागेर धाडलो तेणे राती कितें एकलो कशें कितें जातलें काय म्हणून he has to be bought. So we have given time limit 1 म्हयन्याचो टायम दितात पुलिसांनी सांगलां कायद्यान तेजें घर तो त्या घरांत येतलो आनी तो ओराद रावतलो चेडवान सांगलां I will spend 25, 30,000, 40,000 also. So a caretaker is there who feeds my father, takes care of him and gives him medicines. So कोणे भायर वचोंक जाय ते any. So we have spoken to the police. They have said we will consider this. And now police is gone on the job. They have just left. They are gone to Ranwado. I told them to take the footages, CCTV footages. सगळें कितें आहा तें सगळें दूध का दूध पानी का पानी जातलें म्हणून एक सांगलां पुलिसांनी ती बेल घेतली ती भायर वयतली तो कायदो आसा बट द मॅटर FIR is registered. The case will go on. But they should not be allowed to stay in that house. Uncle has to stay rightfully. Lincoln.
My only one message to Goans and Goans across the globe whose elderly parents are here with caretakers or even with family. If there is any case of abuse of such type, please bring it to our attention. We are here on ground. We will ensure that the justice is given. And even in this matter, as Pratima has said, justice will be delivered to this elderly senior citizen. Thank you.